Today in the grain markets, soybeans surged. Those futures gained back all the losses that were taken when the variant was announced. We had a 56-cent recovery from Tuesday's low. It seems like we're looking at been there, done that kind of situation right now, and that's how the market is kind of responding. There really is not much agriculture news really coming in. We expected that for this month. So the market is just really responding to just the little influences from like outside markets. I think that we're just positioning now, adjusting for the end of the year. So it looks like we're going to have a little bit more choppiness as we go forward. Of course, unless something else happens. But right now, the CVOL for soybeans is 19.2%. The soybean oil is 34.2, and meal is 24.3%. So they're all still pretty strong right now. I mean, going forward, we're going to be watching day to day. Now, corn did climb higher. Those export commitments are the second highest on record. Now, OPEC is on board, saying that the production numbers are going to pretty much stay the same, and that's good news for ethanol traders, and the margins are still going to be good. And so that's really offering some support on the corn side. We're getting back on track to that, to be looking at perhaps we get to that $6 mark at some point in time. We're clearly not there yet, but the market's still firming up. Now, the CVOL on corn is at 23.7%. Now, for wheat, it was down today. Now, the lowest export sales for the marketing year, which is really kind of a surprise, but maybe the market's, kind of exhausted somewhat. I was expecting wheat to really be a little bit stronger here to end the week, but it just wasn't happening. We gave back most of yesterday's gains, and it's a little bit disappointing considering that we started actually higher today than yesterday. So even though we hit that 17-cent drop, it's kind of a little bit unnerving today, but Canada also is finding more spring wheat, and that's adding to a little bit more market pressure as well. Demand is still strong, though, so that's something to always keep an eye on. The CVOL for wheat is up, and it's at 30.6%, so it's still very, very strong. I expect the month really to chop around, and we just got to watch like outside markets and see if they have any influence on the grains across the board.